Hey cyber explorers! Today, we're diving into one of the most infamous web hacking techniques out there, SQL injection. Whether you're a future hacker or a defender, this is one vulnerability you absolutely need to know about. Let's break it down in simple, bite-sized pieces. So, what is SQL injection? Imagine you're at a restaurant, and instead of ordering food, you whisper a secret command to the chef that lets you sneak into the kitchen. SQL injection works the same way, with a sneaky hacker inserting malicious code into a website's database query to make it do things it wasn't meant to. It all starts with user input. Websites often ask for things like usernames, passwords, or search terms. This data gets sent to a database using a language called SQL, structured query language. But if the website doesn't carefully check what you type, an attacker can inject SQL commands into that box and mess with the database directly. Here's a classic example. Let's say a login form runs this query, select, from users, where username, user, and password, pass. If an attacker types something like or11, the query becomes select, from users, where username, or11, boom. That always returns true, and just like that, they're in. No password needed. What can hackers do with this? A lot. They can bypass logins, read sensitive data, delete records, or even gain admin access. Some advanced attacks might even allow remote code execution. In real-world breaches, SQLi has been responsible for millions of leaked records. How do we stop it? First, never trust user input. Always validate and sanitize it. Use prepared statements or parameterized queries, which treat user input as data, not code. Also, keeping your database permissions tight can limit the damage if something slips through. Wrap up time. SQL injection is like giving a stranger the keys to your data kingdom, but with smart coding practices and vigilant security checks, you can slam that door shut. Stay curious, stay cautious, and until next time, keep leveling up your cyber skills.